Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on VIVO V40 Lite. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to go to System and then go to Reset Options, and now click on Erase All Data Factory Reset and then click on Erase All Data again. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern and click on Erase All Data. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.